So today I'm going to be comparing two very popular brands of xylitol gum that are available around the world. They're available on Amazon and they're made in the US, and that is Epic gum and Spry gum. If you've been following my channel, you'll know that I've done a lot of videos on xylitol, recipes on how to make your own candies at home. It all started when I found out about the benefits of xylitol for health, for oral health, and that was from Dr. Ellie Phillips. And ever since then, I've made videos, I've applied the xylitol to my daily oral routine. So I take xylitol after meals and I can really feel the effects of the xylitol working to protect and coat my teeth. And also I've noticed that it helps with reducing plaque buildup, and it leaves your mouth feeling fresh and clean. So I've bought different brands of sugar, whether it be from corn or birch, and I've found that most of them or all of them have worked just as well as one another. Using the sugar, like this one, this is birch xylitol, and using these sugars to make candies are the most cost-effective way to implement or to add xylitol to your oral healthcare routine, as well as your kids. I think it's super important to give xylitol to your children to protect their oral health, because as we know, gum disease is a common issue, especially as we get older, and without proper oral care or hygiene, it can really lead down the wrong path. But with xylitol, it helps to really prevent issues. They started giving xylitol to school-age children in the 70s in the Scandinavian countries, especially after meals, after lunch. And they found that these communities that they gave xylitol to had less instances of dental caries and had overall healthier mouths than other communities and other places around the world. Xylitol will also neutralise the bad bacteria which comes from eating sugary foods, acidic foods, the type of foods that can cause cavities and tooth decay. Xylitol also helps to prevent plaque from sticking to your teeth. It also raises your oral pH, which is important for a balanced mouth biome. You don't want it too acidic. Too much of an acidic pH can cause tooth decay. So xylitol lowers that, and if you take it after a meal on a daily basis, it will really help to protect your oral health over time. So I try to avoid gum from the supermarket because it contains artificial sweeteners and I don't really trust them, especially aspartame. So I look for a more natural alternatives. So that's why I thought I'd try these. The only gum that I found in Australia to be at the supermarket at Coles, where I shop, is this brand here, Real Gum. But they stopped stocking it, and I think it's because the formulation or the recipe, although it is natural, it tended to melt at room temperature and they turned to mush. So I don't think the recipe was very good, and they got rid of it from the supermarkets. You're meant to keep it in a cool, dry place. I didn't, I just kept it in our kitchen. We don't always have air conditioning, and it melted, the whole packet melted, and it made the cardboard all look waterlogged. So yeah, that was that gum, and I wouldn't personally buy that again, but I was using it for a little while. Anyway, so that led me to a solution. Here is the verdict on both of the gums, and I'm going to tell you which one I thought was better and what I liked about each. Okay, so with the Spry, I like that it's more economical. You get double the amount of sugar-free gum compared to the Epic, and they're around the same price. They both use very similar ingredients, almost identical ingredients, although we don't know exactly what goes into each gum base, and they don't have to disclose it. I could only compare spearmint and peppermint because that's all I could get from the same seller. I generally like spearmint over peppermint because I find peppermint can be very strong at times in some products. But I find that the Epic gum is the winner over the Spry because of its general flavour, and I feel that the gum base is more quality. It doesn't have any odd taste or odd texture as I've experienced with some gums. They have an odd base formula, but this one seems to be the best in my opinion. So if you are looking to replace store-bought gum, which contains artificial flavours and artificial sweeteners, then these two brands are the way to go. They are very, very good substitute for your ordinary gum that you find at the store. You can use Spry and Epic gum if you are on Dr. Ellie's Complete Mouthcare System. Any gum that you use on the system must use xylitol as the only sweetener. If you want to save money on Ellie's Total Mouthcare System, I recommend that you go ahead and you buy the xylitol sugar and make your own homemade candies out of it. They're super easy to make, and I've done a lot of videos on them. I've experimented with a lot of flavors, different shapes, and I found the best out of all of the recipes that I've done to be the original that I did, the homemade mints that you just pour on a baking sheet and you let it dry, because you can really break them down into very small pieces. You don't want to be consuming too much xylitol in one sitting because it can cause diarrhea or an upset stomach. So you want to be metering the xylitol out during the day, and Ellie recommends to have 6 to 10 grams per day. So if you meter it out after each meal, you want to take that amount of xylitol to have success and to show improvement. So guys, have you tried Spry or Epic? Well, let me know in the comments below, and have you tried any other flavors? So guys, I hope that you found this video informative and that I helped you make some better decisions when you are spending money on xylitol products, as they can be quite pricey. Guys, I'm looking into starting Dr. Ellie's Complete Mouthcare System, so stay tuned to my channel and subscribe, as I will have more oral health videos in future. So I'm going to say bye guys. I'll see you next time. Have an awesome day, and remember to live your best life every day.